Hi guys, here's a special treat for ya. This is the German Shepherd from the same, that company. There's the bod, Stuffins Inc., handmade in China, 1997. Okay, there's the tail. There's that, the black. There's his face. He has eyebrows. The ears are white. Here's his thing. There's the paws. There's that side. This side. That side. This side. There's the tush tag, if you want to see right there. That's the tush tag. And the legs. And that's it. Alright guys. Oh yeah, the nose is plastic. And then there's the mouth. And that's it. Alright guys, that's the German Shepherd for you folks. Alright guys, bye.